McDonald's snack wraps are back. Here's what we know. McDonald's snack wraps, the cult favorite, are making a much-anticipated comeback. "It's back," declared McDonald's in a concise statement. The wraps returned to menus on July 10th as part of an effort to improve a slow start to the year. Although some locations offered the wraps until 2020, McDonald's eventually removed them. Meanwhile, competitors like Wendy's introduced similar items such as the 2023 Grilled Chicken Ranch Wrap. Despite these alternatives, many fans remained loyal to McDonald's original snack wrap, eagerly awaiting its return. With declining sales for a second quarter, McDonald's chose to reintroduce the cult classic snack wrap. Customers will enjoy wraps with new McCrispy strips, shredded lettuce, and cheese in a flour tortilla. McDonald's shared this update on Instagram, marking the wrap's much-anticipated return to the menu. McDonald's snack wraps will include spicy, described as bold, zesty, and fiery, and ranch, described as smooth, rich, and savory. Eager fans will line up on July 10th to taste these classic wraps at local McDonald's. Hopefully, you can join to enjoy these delicious flavors too.